Hello students, so today we are going to learn once again the plant hormone and today we are going to talk about gibberellin. The gibberellin is what? It's a gibberellic acid. Okay, as we know the name suggests what it's written, gibberellic acid. So it's acidic in nature, gibberellic acid. Now for the first time it was isolated from a fungus that is named Gibberella fusicori. Okay, so this microorganism name is Gibberella fusicori and from this microorganism only the name derived. All gibberellic acids are acidic in nature, and then Gibberella fusicori do what now? They cause the foolish seedling disease of rice. Okay, so from there only this gibberellin is isolated. Now, the major bioactive form of gibberellic acids are what? Gibberellic acid 1, 3, 4, and 7. I'm saying bioactive. So, bioactive means that they are active in their function, what they are performing. Okay, now here they produce a wide range of physiological responses in the plants. That means the functions that they are performing in a plant, and the main thing what they are doing, they are increasing the length of axis, which used to increase the length of grape stalks, basically in the grape. So basically, they are increasing the stalks. Now, because like fruits to ripen, elongate also, and improve its shape and structure. One of the term that is given, it's a bolting. Wait one second. Yeah, the term bolting is also done by what? Like, see here, it's written gibberellin also promote bolting. What is this bolting? It's the internode elongation just prior to flowering. So best example you can see the cabbage and other like the beetroot is there and other plants with the rosette habitat. So that the cabbage is holding that the structure just due to the bolting. Okay. Then they delay senescence also. The fruits can be left on tree longer so as to extend the market period. That means they delay the senescence, like their ripening is going to delayed and their senescence is delayed. So they are just extended shelf life for the market period also. Now GA3, that gibberellic acid 3 is used to speed up the malting process in brewing industry. We all know in brewing industry, malting is very much important. So this GA3, the bioactive gibberellin, is helping in the malting process. So this is all about gibberellin. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.